Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Close CRM mobile app with secure sign-in. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Close CRM mobile app.
On the welcome screen, locate the option for logging in.
Tap on the sign in button. You will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the first field.
Next, input your password in the second field.
Double-check that you have entered both correctly to avoid login errors.
If you have two-factor authentication enabled, you will be prompted to enter the code.
Open your authentication app or your email to retrieve the code. Type the code into the designated field. Once everything is filled out, tap on the Login button. Wait for the app to process your information. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your dashboard.
If you encounter an error, recheck your email and password for accuracy. In case you've forgotten your password, tap the Forgot Password link.
Follow the instructions sent to your email to reset it.
Once logged in, explore the features available to you. Make sure to log out when you're finished, especially on shared devices.
This completes the authentication process for the Close CRM mobile app.
If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.